This is Tony Poulos reporting from Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. I have with me today Marty Beard, who is the president of Sybase 365. Marty, welcome.
Hi.
Good to see you again.
Hi, thank you. Good to see you as well.
With the acquisition of Sybase by SAP, where does the mobile services side of Sybase 365 fit in?
Right, yeah, so we really extend the entire Sybase and SAP mobile story. We're really the B2C. We're the part of the organization that reaches out to the end user, to the consumer, providing services like mobile banking or mobile retail applications. So it's very hosted, transaction-oriented services.
Based on your observation and experience, what are the three mobile trends, or the biggest mobile trends we're seeing at the moment, particularly the ones that are shaping the global economy?
Yeah, I think the biggest one that we're seeing, and particularly prevalent at this show, is just that common applications like banking, like shopping. These are really becoming real-world mobile applications that we're all starting to use. Last year, it was more of a trend, more of a subject that we talked about. This year, it's more real projects, real applications, end users using their mobile devices to actually bank, to shop, to do real-world things.
Can you please describe how mobile enterprises, or how enterprises are leveraging this mobile mass connectivity, and how are they driving their customer engagement and even transforming their businesses?
Right, so all the enterprises now know that all of us have at least one connected device. We probably have our phone, we may have a tablet, an iPad, what have you. And they're finding out that this is not only good for marketing out to us, to really have that one-on-one customer engagement, but also to offer real value. And again, I use the example of mobile banking or mobile payment. Things that we all want to do while we're out and about. We've got our mobile device. It's something that we can act on right now in the present, in whatever location we're at. So I think the enterprises, they now are starting to understand more practically how to go ahead and offer those services.
Mobile commerce is certainly a hot topic, and there's a lot of discussion going around, particularly at this event, on the best ways to implement it. But it seems that in developing countries where feature phones, don't predominate, they're still developing some great applications. Are the developed markets learning anything from this?
We are. In fact, in this example, the developing economies, the so-called emerging economies, they're coming out with the most sophisticated implementations that we've seen worldwide. We've seen examples in places like Nepal, places like Malaysia, Southeast Asia, throughout the Middle East, where they're really using just simple phones. A lot of it is SMS-based, highly sophisticated examples and implementations of mobility that the developed world is kind of looking at and saying, oh, we hadn't thought of that. We're very smartphone focused. So yeah, you're seeing the developing economies really driving a lot of the innovation.
What are the real hurdles, though, in the developed markets to implement the widespread use of mobile commerce services? Are we slow in the uptake, and what's stopping us?
Yeah, I think it's education. I think a lot of folks just haven't really gotten to the point of using this on a daily basis. I think if you've tried mobile banking, you get used to it, you start to trust it, you understand that it's secure, you understand that you can do things like payment or money transfer, and you start using it more. But I think people have to get educated about the efficiency of these applications. So I think there's an education component, there's people starting to just use it, get comfortable and so forth, but we're starting to see that.
Does that make your job at Sybase 365 harder, that you have to actually educate the market first before there's take-up, or are they getting it slowly on their own?
We love doing that, because we have an incredibly strong set of solutions. We love educating the market, so we spend a lot of time doing that with our customers, helping them with their end users. And no, it's a phenomenal time. It's a fun time in the industry.
It is an exciting time. Marty, thanks for being with us today.
Thank you.